Forex Pharmacy. Live Forex trading signals. Learning and earning. Signal with analysis. Custom indicators. Auto trading bot/EA. We are a forward-looking company focused to help grow your trading skills. Our numbers are growing every day. 50 pips minimum. 200 plus pips daily. 1000 plus pips weekly. We build solutions that are needed for the 21st century. Software development. Testing and QA consultation. We offer unparalleled services with our exceptional product portfolio. Custom indicator. Expert advisor/bot. We are the global leader in the business. Today we have pinned our flags in multiple locations across the world. Our mission drives us to do everything possible. Our vision is to create a peaceful world. Forex Pharmacy. Muhammad Rahil Khan. www.com/forexpharmacy.